Today's video is going to talk about sticking with your physical therapy exercises. So this is not for video is not for everybody. This is for people who have started physical therapy and are have some sort of a home program. So the very predictable thing that happens is people will come in when they're in acute pain, let's say low back pain. So they come in, they're in acute low back pain. They get some sort of treatment from their physical therapist. The physical therapist may do something to them, either some technique or some activity, try to reduce their pain, and then give some exercises. People are very diligent about their exercises when they're hurting. And then as they get better, their compliance level really shuts off. Part of it is because you don't have that constant reminder of, I hurt, so I got to do my stuff. But part of it is also that if you don't have something that's motivating you, like pain, it's very difficult to stay on top of things. So some tricks to stick with your activities are this. I'm going to give 3 tricks here. One is setting a daily routine around your exercises. People have all sorts of routines. Routines are how we live our life. You may have bad routines or you may have good routines, but we all typically get up at certain times of the day. We typically will brush our teeth, bathe, get ready for work, drive, do many other things where we're not consciously processing. We're doing those things automatically. So if you can set your routine to include those physical therapy activities, that will be a big help for you. But most studies suggest that if you aggregate everything together, it takes about 66 days to form a habit. So if you can figure it's going to take you a couple months of consistently doing something to form that habit, that will help to give you a timeline to shoot for, saying, okay, I got to work at it till this time, and then it becomes a routine, and then you can do it without thinking very much. The second trick is to make sure that you have manageable numbers of activities and exercises. As a young therapist, I thought that more was better. I thought the more activities and more exercises I gave my patient, the more I showed my value to them. I realized that that couldn't be farther from the truth. And the reason is if I give somebody 20 exercises to do, they'll either do them wrong or they won't do them at all. If I gave somebody 3 things to do, they typically will do them and do them pretty close to correct. So I've kind of changed the way that I've practiced over the course of the last 20 years and really focused on what are the top 3 to 5 things per day I want my patient to do to try to heal. And if you can do those things on a regular basis as part of your routine, that can really help to maintain your ability to stay both consistent and competent with the activities that you're doing. The third and final trick that a lot of people don't think of when it comes to physical therapy exercises is to reward yourself. Your body is set up to respond well to punishment and rewards and tends to do better to rewards. So if you can set some sort of guideline, like if I do my exercises the next 5 days in a row, then I'm going to treat myself to a movie that I haven't gotten a chance to see, or some sort of small gift. I'm not saying that you can buy whatever you want, but if you want to set yourself up with some sort of reward, like once I hit this metric, I'm going to order my special thing that's been in my Amazon Prime cart over the last couple months that I've been waiting on. Set something like that to reward yourself. Those things can be very motivating and powerful when it comes to trying to maintaining a healthy lifestyle over time. Hopefully today's video gave you some ideas and some motivation to really create long-standing lifestyle changes for yourself, especially surrounding health and wellness with respect to my niche, which is the physical therapy world. If you're interested in learning about what we do here at Elite Physical Therapy or want to do a free consult with me, feel free to email me and just ask me, say, I want to do a free consult with you, and I can forward it on to the office and we can get you contacted. So we'd love to see you. My email is biagio@eliteptkc.com.